Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday, 7th of September. Okay, finally, nearly my technical target is met down there. I've been telling you for a long time, this shouldn't even come as a surprise anymore. The bear flag was in effect, broke the bear flag. The technical target was intended to be from there to there, and we finally came all the way down. But it seems to me like, the main target, which is, $18,000, hasn't really come in just yet. So don't expect Bitcoin to move back up very soon. And this is not like the bottom or the dump that you need. There is a little bit of a drop to the downside. And now the question is, can it really go down there? I don't know. Okay, but sometimes they like to just jump back up, reaching near the target. So it could be that it doesn't go all the way down to the target and starts to move back up from here. But however, I do have one more hint that it can actually even go below, and try to come down at least to that level, 17,500. And the reason why I do think so is because of the following. Okay, all right. So you did have a bear flag. The bear flag is a bearish continuation pattern, and this bear flag continuation pattern was actually broken. So if you look at another continuation pattern is as follows. What you did here, the vacation you made for Bitcoin for the past 7 to 8 days here, boring sideways movement, actually printed out a descending triangle. Do you see that? So descending triangle in itself is still another continuation pattern. So if we talk about the technical target of that descending triangle, goes from there to there, and we're looking for Bitcoin to still come down to 17,797, and that actually completes the whole technical target of that bear flag. Now when it does reach down to 17,700, or we're going to see what next can happen. Okay, so you can see that bear flag target is going to be met. So that's pretty much it right now. I want to dive into the monthly time frame, and let's talk about the monthly because it's been a while. I haven't talked about any the monthly time frame. Now the interest seems like Bitcoin is really interested to come down to take the wick here. You see this wick, the three black rows that I talked about before, continuation pattern, and you can already see that this on the monthly is pretty much confirming a bear flag. Okay, and just like the daily time frame, I told you back in the days when we were up at 22,000 or when we were at 22,000 and we made the bear flag telling you we're going to go down to 17,000. Even right now I'm still telling you, yes, Bitcoin is aiming for that $17,700 because I've already showed you that descending triangle technical target, and now on the monthly time frame it's a big whopping three black rows and a bear flag, and this is where you're breaking out of it. And I told you this a long time ago, last month, that I fear this is three black rows, this can turn into bear flag. And September is dumpy, by the way, and historically speaking, the first few days of September doesn't even really dump. The first 6-7 days of the first week of September doesn't do anything. As a matter of fact, it's good, but after that it's an issue if you look at it, at the history of the beginning of September. So yes, I am afraid that this is going to be a big red candle this month, probably down to even 14,000, and the technical target should be down here at 8,300, let's say $8,500, unless Bitcoin doesn't do something amazing and go back and break 25,000 and 26,000, then I'm gonna flip, because it's gonna be breaking the flag here and invalidates the flag. That's the only way to be safe. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.